Hello guys, in this video, we will tell you about a free, open-source cursor alternative that you can use to create websites and apps. It supports all models, including Claude 3.5, DeepSeek R1, GPT-4, free Gemini models, and locally deployed Llama models. So let's start. Search Cline AI. Go to this GitHub page. This is a completely open-source AI coder. You can add it to Visual Studio Code. Click here. Add this extension to VS Code. Install it. Now, go to the robot-like icon in the sidebar. This is Cline. Here, we need to add an API key to start. It supports all major models, including open-source ones. It works best with Claude 3.5 Sonnet. I already used Gemini on this before. If you like to use Gemini, go to Google AI Studio API section. Here, add a new API key like this. Now, copy and paste the API key here. Select the model. I am trying with Gemini 1206. Now, enable these settings for auto-edit, read, and code by AI. Now, add a prompt. I am testing it to create a UI interface for a social media marketing site. Start now. It is writing the code, as you can see. All files are now written. Next, we can accept this command to run index.html to see the site. The open command doesn't work, so we need to use the start command manually. The website is opened. It is pretty basic with almost no content. We can make it better. Add a new prompt to make it professional and better. Now, wait. It is editing the code now. The task is completed. Let's try it again. Still not up to the mark. Actually, the Gemini model is not as good as Claude. Still, let's give it a try with the Gemini 2.0 Flash model. Adding the prompt. Waiting now. It is editing faster now, as Flash is a very fast model. The task is completed. Let's try it again. It is better. Let's try one more time, asking it to add more content and a name to the SMM agency, add to ZSMM. It is editing now. The task is completed. Let's try it again. It is much better and good for the standard of a small Gemini Flash model. Still, it has a lot of issues. Just like this, you can use it similar to Cursor to make a professional site. Hope you liked this open source alternative. Thanks for watching.